Hello. So we're done with HTML and CSS. Just remember, pag HTML, this is the lingua franca of the web. Ibig sabihin, doon tayo magsisimula. That's the very basic na kailangan mo to start in a web development project. We also have finished CSS, wherein it is used for giving styles to your HTML, of course. But again, HTML and CSS is not really considered programming language. Kumbaga, for our next lesson, which is JavaScript, dito pa lang tayo magsisimulang mag-code, actual coding, wherein yung static na output natin from HTML and CSS will now be more interactive since gagamitan na natin siya ng JavaScript. Your JavaScript reacts in a certain way depending on the input nung end users natin or nung client natin. So JavaScript is used to make interactive website. Ibig sabihin ng interactive, may response. Kailangan mo ng input from the user and your website will respond according to the input of the user. So kumbaga, dito pa lang yung real coding begins na sinasabi natin, wherein we are going to build much more of a real website compared dun sa ginawa natin ng prelims and midterms. So again, still, as you can see here, I'm still using Atom. So by now, it's very expected for you na kabisado mo na yung interface ng Atom. So let's create a new web page. And I'll name it JavaScript. So this is our first tutorial for JavaScript. Let's make it very simple and brief. Sabi ko nga, your JavaScript will make your website more interactive or interactive. So for our first tutorial for JavaScript, we will use your HTML element, which is button. So ano bang ginagawa ng button? Of course, from the name itself, sinabi nating button, the user will click it to attain its desired response from the website. So kailangan niyang i-click niya yon kasi gusto niyang magkaroon ng response yung website. So to make it simpler, tanggalin muna natin tong mga to. Yan. So like CSS, there are 3 ways para dagdagan ng JavaScript yung HTML code natin. Again, there are 3 ways kagaya ng CSS ang paglagay ng JavaScript. So first is yung inline JavaScript. So pag sinabi natin inline, nasa the same line lang ng HTML code natin yung JavaScript na ginagamit natin, which is, sabi ko nga noon, it is not advisable later on pag masyado nang madami yung code natin. So, but for now, since nag-start lang naman tayo, just to show you how JavaScript works, gamitin muna natin yung simplest. It's the inline adding of JavaScript. So, first thing na gagamitin natin is yung function ng JavaScript, which is the onClick. So, onClick function ng JavaScript. Tapos, maglalagay tayo doon ng, let's say, mag-a-alert tayo. Okay. In inside after alert. So ibig sabihin, pag nag-click yung button, magkakaroon tayo ng alert to place a message there. Yan. Lalagay ako dito, hello world. Okay, so meaning when the button is clicked, ito yung function niya, ito yung event niya, on click, anong mangyayari? Mag-a-alert siya, ang ilalabas niya is hello world. So maglalagay lang ako ng definition ng button natin, click me. So I'll try to save it. Okay, and I'll try to open it in Google Chrome. So we have the button which says click me. Okay, so pakita lang natin, click me. So dapat ang lalabas ito is pag click ko siya, mag-a-alert, which it will tell me hello world. So subukan natin. Yan. So lumabas yung alert natin, which is hello world. So again, that's a very simple demonstration of the use of JavaScript with this format, an inline style of adding JavaScript. But remember, hindi advisable ang inline adding ng CSS or JavaScript because pag masyado nang madami yung codes, mahirap nang mag-troubleshoot and mahirap basahin yung codes. Kailangan tayong organize, kailangan readable yung coding natin. So that's an introduction of JavaScript.